How do you get a Farcaster account? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Farcaster app on your device. In here, click on any option you prefer to sign in. Recover account via email. After I've clicked on it, enter email and press on continue at the bottom. Then verification code or verification email will be sent. Open your email, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you will find any code or option to verify email. Click on it and you will be able to log in to your Farcaster account in that way. It is not available because I have not added my verification. Make sure you also have verification on this account. And this is you get a Farcaster account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.